CSU Design Forum, Tuesday, October 13th at 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Presents Matt Chandler, Production Manager. Matt Chandler will share his years of advice from working at respected production companies such as South Coast Repertory and the Goodman. All designers and all craftspeople wishing to work in American regional theater or for commercial companies are encouraged to attend, as he will cover how to write a cover letter that will get you noticed and a standout resume. Matt will give you tips on how to ace that interview with a department head or score that competitive internship, and how production managers keep designers' visions on track. Please visit csudesignforum.org.